surrounds me like a melody.
Okay.
Your presence fills me with harmony. Oh, I will praise you forever and ever. I will sing your song. Your love is amazing, your grace is strong. You are the reason I belong. I will praise you, Lord, forever and ever. I will sing your song. Your love is amazing, your grace is strong. You are the reason I belong. When I was lost, you came and found me. When I was broken, you made me whole. You lifted me up when I was down. You turned my sorrow into a joyful sound. Oh, I will praise you forever and ever. I will sing your song. Your love is amazing, your grace is strong.